how to log out of Fiverr on your PC. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So the first thing you need to do is obviously you need to open up your Fiverr and make sure you are logged in with your account. After logging to your account, you'll be able to see this interface over here. So in the right upper corner, you'll be able to see the gear icon, which is also known as settings. So you have to simply go through settings. After that, here you'll be able to see the list of options. So among them you have to simply go through privacy and security. After that, you have to scroll down below a little bit where you'll be able to see the deactivate option. So simply click on deactivate. So in PC, logging out means deactivating your account. If you simply click on deactivate, then you'll be logged out of the Fiverr, but the data and chats of the Fiverr won't be deleted. So in order to log out of your Fiverr, you have to simply click on deactivate over here. After that, you'll be logged out of your Fiverr account. So in this simple step, you can log out Fiverr on your PC. So hope this video helps. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.